Hi, I'm Daniel. Now we're going to augment an existing network, in this case Philips Hue, by adding our LED driver LD6, which is a Zigbee direct device, to the network. We do this by opening it. In this case it's called Search for Lights in the Hue app, and this might be a while. This allows us to operate and control all the components within the Hue network from the iOS app by ubisys. Once it's been identified, as you can see now, it will allow me to start configuration. But I'll still wait a couple of seconds because usually it's an automated process. Okay, so we have the second identified. I will now skip ahead, not name them, but just put them in the living room where the other Hue devices already are. It's classical drag and drop. And now I'm done. As you can see, my lights have been added. In this case, the LED driver has two LED strips, one RGBW and another tunable white attached. So they are separately visible. After having our Zigbee Direct device LD6 join the Hue bridge, we now have to let the ubisys iOS app join as well. And we do this in the following fashion. We add lights, then search for said lights. Now, at searching for lights, I switch into the ubisys app. There I go to settings, I go to facilities, I will add a facility, create it via Bluetooth. It will show me the LD6, which is actually in the Hue bridge. I will tap on it to have it join. I would like to create, so OK. I now created a network. So by and by, the Hue bridge devices, all available in the Hue network, will pop up in the ubisys app. And from there will be controllable, which I'll show as follows. By adding the ubisys Zigbee Direct device LD6 and the accompanying ubisys iOS app, we now can control the full Hue environment. Check this out. And there you go. You can dim it up and down, change colors if necessary, color temperature. So what is the main benefit of adding the ubisys Zigbee Direct and ubisys iOS app to the Hue environment? Well, from now on, you have the possibility of configuring inputs, which I'll demonstrate with our LD6 in our iOS app. So I tap on the LD6, I select Input Configuration. Now it's configured as a button, which I can change. I can delete the button function, add another function, let's say switch on-off, and I will save it, and from now on you have a different input configuration. Simple as that. Another added benefit of Zigbee Direct is that you can create scenes and include all the components within that Hue network. I've created a scene here, it's called U100, which as you can see is very bright. And then I've created the Zigbee Direct, which is the LD6 scene, which changes also brightness. Nothing special, nothing fancy, but you can include all components within the Hue network. Another prominent feature missing from the Hue bridge is creating bindings. I'll now demonstrate how to create a switch binding from the ubisys iOS app. I will first just turn off the lights. So I'll go to configuration. I'll go to bindings. I will now select one of the LD6 switches or inputs, and I will now add a binding, a switch binding. I will target Hue devices on, save it, and from now on, if I had a switch here, I would be able to steer it and control it and switch it on and off. So, in summation, by integrating ubisys' first commercially available Zigbee Direct device, our LD6, into your Hue environment, you open up various new configuration options not available in the Hue app. The ubisys iOS app running on your mobile device works as a virtual gateway. This technology is easily portable with a simple firmware update. So listen up, all you manufacturers of smart speakers and set-top boxes, as this disruptive innovation by ubisys allows you to gain access to the whole Zigbee universe without a Zigbee chip on board, just using your already existing Bluetooth-capable hardware. Speaking of hardware, are you interested in adding Zigbee Direct to your portfolio? Then look no further. Simply integrate this tiny blends module and add seamless connectivity to all your products. Not to forget all you ecosystem and app developers out there, as you can use our framework for iOS, Android, Linux, and create whatever you envision. All there.